thank you, Shanchumenelin. Melat, hindi ko mapronounce yung pangalan. Kanina na-pronounce ko na, Shanshunay. Shanshunay. Hoy, ang gabok. Hi, we're back in the road. We're near now to the island. We will go to the island, one of the island of France. My God, look at the road. Look the other side.
Everyone is coming back. It's Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday and everyone is coming back. It's 6 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock, 5 minutes for 6 o'clock. But this one, oh, the line of the other side, the traffic is same. When we get enter, it's almost the same like this. Yeah, it's so traffic. So, like 40 minutes, 45 minutes we've been there in the island. Let's go! Hi! We're still on the road. Wala pa kami doon dahil babae muna kami sa toll. Tingnan nyo naman, 6:30 na, napakataas pa ng araw. Uy, nasisilang pa si kami may huy! Huy! Magbabayad pa kami sa toll at ang toll price is 8 euros.
Yeah.
Ang
Not too,
aming babayaran. Yung iba, the other people, they stay here.
Moeten we met de telepeage doen?
Huh?
Maybe we need to do the telepeage. Look the line.
What telepeage?
Ja, gaat het maar zo.
I don't know. Yeah, T. I don't know what's telepeage. Because of this
Deze,
one.
ja.
Tutunog yan, oh. Pak, 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 pak. Slow down.
Oh, dat,
Yeah, you're not the one of them. Thank you for the 8 euro. And this is that's where we're
yeah, that's
going.
the bridge. Keep on filming.
Oh wow. That's where we're going, the bridge. So we will go to the other island. Hi, Scott. This is the island. It's also like in Netherlands.
You see the cruise ship on the left?
Yeah, going that one.
Yeah.
That's a cruise ship. Wow, taas ang araw, Day. Hindi ko na makita ang aking vlog.
And if you do biking, you don't need to pay the tolls. That's free.
That's true. My gosh, this is just like a Netherlands also. You can open the bridge here. So they have a factory. They have a factory there over. It's a cruise ship.
I don't know what happened to the van. The allowed speed is 80 and the driving only 60. My God. Take it easy.
Maybe just take it easy. Okay. You can do a bicycle, but you don't need to pay. Even the motorcycle. Yeah. This is the. Oh wow. We will go to island. We stay over in island. Actually, the price that you said is not bad for this kind of island.
That's true. And also on the way back, you don't need to pay toll. That's included already.
So only for 4.
Yeah.
That's okay.
See, there's still traffic on the way going back. Huh?
Yeah. Like the
And now we're on top of the cruise ship. We can look at the roof.
cruise ship.
Oh wow. We're higher than the cruise ship.
I think they go to also to the Rotterdam, that one cruise ship.
Ja, die kan eens.
I don't know. Yes, we are near to the island.
Oh wow, I can see the beaches there. Looks nice.
Oh my gosh. If we love here, 3 more days. Oh wow. This looks nice.
Yeah.
You don't know this place before?
I just we were looking in the maps, I think 3 days ago, and then I seen the weather in Bordeaux. That's a little to the south. It's nice. And then I discovered this island.
Oh wow.
I think on the left there's even another island, or there, I don't know.
Oh wow.
But
Like the island.
then I read about this. They say this is the holiday island.
Wow.
That's why so many people going back. It's a weekend.
Yeah, it's a weekend. And it's good it's not windy. Oh, they will walk over.
Yeah, wow.
Success.
Respect. That's a
Yeah.
long ride.
Wow. Yes, andito na tayo. Success. Hi. Nandito na kami sa room, mga kanine. Ayun yung labas, kita nyo. Merong swimming pool. May nagsuswimming na sa labas. At ito yung aming room. Simple lang siya. In the France, you know, sa France, medyo expensive. Not compared to Spania. Hi Scott, what
Hi.
are you doing again? Can let me in the bathroom? I want to show to them. Yes, ito yung bathroom. Buksan natin ng Gilaw. Yes. Oh, ganda naman. May pop-color Netherlands. Meron naman siyang hand sanitizer sa douche. Ganda, malinis. Not bad. Merong blower. Diba? Meron siyang sa douche, sa ano, sa
Do you want
katawan.
to swim?
Now?
Let's save you all up now.
No, I'm tired. Yeah. He asking me if I want to swim now. It's almost 8 now. 7. Ito nga pala yung front ng aming room. Oh, pak. Oh, may swimming pool. Pak. Doon ang reception. Ito ang aming room. Kina-close ng jowa. Very simple. I'm expected double. But hindi, para lang siyang resort. But hotel siya. The originals. The same name kung saan kami nagstay yesterday. Let's go now inside. Ayan. Ito ang reception. Dala ko yung aking. Uy, ang bango. Ang pak.
If you want to have simple food here.
Anyway, you already book.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow. Like a takeaway. Ito ang reception. Yes, maganda tayong lahat. And welcome back to my channel. Nandito tayo sa the island, one of the island of France. What's the name of this island? Ile de Ré.
Oh, this is the green door. Yeah.
Ah, this is the green door. Kasi pag 10 o'clock meron na daw kita ko ang sarili ko ay ng jowa. Nakikita ko din. Ang gulo ng camera. Ayusin natin. What time is it now, Scott?
Almost 8.
Ha?
Almost 8.
Almost 8 o'clock. Ang taas pa rin ng araw dito sa Europe. Oh, they have church. Oh, Scott. They said, sabi ng jowa, 20 minutes walk going to the restaurant.
I think the restaurant is around the church.
Yeah, that's perfect. I said, we can walk, no problem. We almost all day in 2 days we are on the ride for the sakata ng pet ko. Ano ba yan? Ingsak na English. 2 days na kami nagta-travel. We need to walk a little bit. O, ito yung mga yung mga bulaklak. Oh.
Torch in our phone.
Ay, what's that?
Oh,
Like
shell. It's
like a shell.
No, it's escargot.
Yeah, escargot.
Slacker.
Oh wow, going up escargot.
Yeah, or just like eggs and then they are coming out.
Yeah, ang dami. Oh, kasi nga island. Kaya ang dami. Let's go. Oh, diba? Kami ay nagwo-walk ng aking jowa sa Eskinita. Oh. Napaka kache. It's so rustic.
Yeah.
Wala ka maririnig. Ayun, may dumaan na. Grabe, ang tahimik. Ayun. Ang sarap tumira. O, diba? Very local. Oh, is what I'm telling to my jowa. Very local. This is stud house. Municipio. Hindi. Oh, the bus station. This is a maritime. Oh wow. It's big. What's below that?
That's also before Airbnb, or still you have. This is also like a house that you can rent.
Oh, B&B.
Now it's Airbnb, but before it, and I think still here in France there's Ugite for ons.
Oh.
Same. But this is the same city, I think for 50 years or more.
Oh, wow. Oh yes, nandito na tayo sa Circle of the Circle. That's the restaurant. Huh?
Let's try.
Luchai. Many people. Yes. Dito na tayo sa restaurant. Let's go! Ito yung mga menu. Ayun o. Scott, show the menu.
No, this is the drink list.
No, they're at your back.
Oh.
Yeah. No, it's easy. Yeah, that's the menu. There's a drinks.
You want some wine?
I have wine for tonight, white wine. Let's cheers, Scott, for our vacation. Correct. This is our appetizer.
Oh yeah, look.
Met the bread. Let's eat.
Enjoy. Ah, merci.
Let's try this one. Sarap. Lekker, ja? Macaleg, our
Not
meal.
much, maar wel lekker.
Another bread. This is a turkey, yeah?
Ja.
It's a turkey, too.
Yeah, but then
Can you
blended.
taste it? Perfecto.
Yeah. Maybe chicken coriander, I'm not sure, but I think it is.
I wanna try. If it's lekker. Wow. Sarap. Para siyang beef na ewan. Yung jowa mong simot, sarap. Oh, simot, sarap ang pagkain. Simot, sarap. Ay. Simot, sarap. Ayun, meron pa. Oh, meron pa. Talagang,
Mama, sarap.
simot, sarap. Ay. Maganda tayong umaga.
I'm sure this is like a little
Good
curse
morning for the island of... What's the place again, this one? La Perret? L'Île de Ré, France. Good morning for our breakfast na kami famous croissant. Meron siyang cheese in the morning. Meron akong mag-water muna ako. Meron siyang tea at meron akong kiwi. Ito lang yung sa akin. Diba? May pa famous. Good morning for everyone. Hi, good morning. Bawal naman ako ng boses. Maraming tao.
Sarap uber.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Maganda tayong lahat. Opak. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Kamime Vlog. And welcome in the France. The one of the island of the France. Nandito tayo. Opak. Ganon. Punta tayo dun sa hindi kami nag-check-in. Hindi kami nagbayad sa aming sasakyan. Parking inside the hotel dahil mahal ang parking fee.
to open the car with...
Mahal the parking fee.
Dat
Yeah.
werkt niet, hè? Dat werkt niet.
Mahal ang parking fee per night, per day. So, we park here outside. And it's free. Free ang park outside. Oh, di ba? Kita niyo yan? Everything is free outside. And I feel it's safe. At ito na yung aming ano eh. Ito na yung room namin eh. Ayan, ayan. Sa kabila niyan, ayan na yung hotel. Ganyan lang yan. Para siyang camping din. Let's go.
Yep. Island.
Oh, the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah.
Oh, it's around the island. Oh, hi, Scott.
Or is it also Pacific Ocean? I don't know.
Moving around the planet. So, you see this, mga kamime? Ganito mga houses nila dito. Tignan nyo, ang kipo talaga ng daan. I remember the...
Wow.
So, as in here in the left.
Dat is niemand.
Yeah. Oh. So this and go to the right because you cannot enter.
Ja, de Marseille.
There's a parking Marseille parking. Javan, ganito rin. Hi. walking na kami sa center. Mga kami may. Hi Scott. Oh. Wow. Oh. It's a market. It is market too. Wow. That's nice. Explore the island. Oh, ang jowa. Oh, finish siya. Hi, jowa. It's a market day. It's Monday. Wow. Perfect. Perfect for this day.
Oh, de overdekte markt ook nog, hè?
Oh, they have opened up. Oh, crap. Nice. Oh, pak. Oh, wow. Tignan yung mga kamimi. Eh. Meron silang hamon. Oh, pak. Ang sarap. Mga herbs nila, oh. Ayan. Kinikilo-kilo din. Ang gwapo pa ni Kuya Tendero. Ayun si Kuya Tendero.
What is the local salt?
Ayan, oh. Ha?
Sea salt from here?
Oh, wow. That's honey, yeah?
Ja.
Local honey.
Ja, bij ons is dat de helft, hè?
There's the local wine of here. Oh. Hi.
Hey.
Local wine. Wow, ang daming olive. Olive oil. Olives. Lekker. I feel very, very, very local. Where is my shades? Yes. Diba? Opa. Welcome to the market of Ireland in France. What's that? Apple, yeah.
Saumon épinard.
Looks lekker.
Ja, zeker.
Local bread.
6 euro voor zo'n mini-pasta.
This, oh, kijk, lekker paella daar.
With the fish is marinated.
Yeah. Grabe, oh. Mukhang masarap siya. It's like paella daar.
Ja. Spain is not far from here.
Yeah. Oh wow, kijk. 19 euro per kilo. I just had dessert. The Alison. Sarap. The local food, oh. Ah, may couscous.
Ja, dat is de sourdough.
Grabe. Beaches. Sarap. This is tunay. Tunay. Oh. Oh, wow. Sarap. You wanna try some other things?
Let's go. when you
Grabe, oh, nakakatuwa yung mga pagkain nila. Meron pa doon. Sarap. Look, the salmon's cut and it's tempting to you. Hey, sarap. So nice. The market day in sa Islands La Emelatec. Kakalimutan ko lagi yung name nito eh. Ganda, oh, pak!
the turbo bike.
Back to road agad kami after the market. So, we will go somewhere else here. Sana magbabike kami. Pero sabi ko, mag-ano na lang. Stop and then walk. Stop and walk. Kasi ganun din. Oh, diba? Kaya let's go. Let's explore this island of France. Nandito kami sa area kung saan kita nyo yung white na yan. Asin yan. Naggagawa sila ng asin dito. Wow. Diba? Asin yan. Tapos yung kabila nito, dagat. Oh. Naggagawa sila. Yun yung mga white na yan, asin. Pero hindi pa ata pwedeng pumasok. Ewan ko lang. Tapos dito kami nagpunta ng Jowa. Ayun ang Jowa. Diba? New adventure natin mga kamime. Yeah, it's good. And now we were walking, going there. Let's try kung pwede. Sabi ng Jowa. Ayan. Yan yung aming nilalakadan. Dinan nyo naman. Dati pwede siyang pumasok ang sasakyan. Siguro I think for only the car that can go here.
Dangerous ends here, huh?
Yeah.
They're very red.
I think only car that can go here is the business. Ay! Kijk, it's closed.
Okay, ja, dan mag het niet.
It's closed, oh. Cannot?
Then we walk until there.
Why?
Until close.
You wanna jump? Kijk deze. Oh, nag-jump ako. Dahil sa hindi kami makadaan doon, minabuti namin lumipat sa ibang templo. At maglalakad kami papuntang ibang ibayo. Dito tayo maglalakad. Ang Jowa, ang daming stopover. So bala ka dyan. Diba? Lakad tayo dito. Oh, akala ko ba bawal ang sasakyan? Ba't nakapasok? I thought it's the car is not allowed. Why they can go in?
Oh, that's a different road.
Wow, nakakita kami ng ganitong fruits. I don't know what is this.
Gummy.
Comment down below mga kami may. Palam nyo yung ganitong napakadaming asin, oh. Gabundok ang asin. Aba. Ayan, oh, yung mga white na yan, asin. Hi, Scott. Hello. Yan, mga gabundok na yan, asin yan, yung mga puti. Diba? This how you made the salty. And oak days the krote. They will make dry to make asin. Oh. Let's go there. Yun sila mga kamimay. Oh, ayun. Hindi natin siya masum Ayun sila. Oh. Ayun pa. Ang dami. Isusum ko nga, ha? Ayan, oh, mga kamimay. Zoom natin. Ayan, oh. Ayan, asin yan, asin. Diyan siya, diyan ginugrow, ay ginugrow, nag-harvest ng asin. Ayan sila, oh. Pak! Tapos ililipat doon, oh. Yun! Ang daming asin. I'm asking to my jowa, can we go inside there? Sabi niya, wag na daw. Kasi it's a private property yun. Oo nga naman. Gusto ko naman, wala naman lumalapit. Tatanong ko sana, pwede po kami pumasok sa loob? Pwede po ba yun? Kaso wala naman. Busy sila. Ayun, oh. Di ba, jowa? We cannot go inside.
You can, but for sure it's not appreciated.
That's true. Because this is a private property for these people. Right? Kaya, hanggang dito lang tayo. Ganun. Hi! We're back in the room. Nandito na ako sa room. Nag-i-improvise ako ng aming kakainin. Bumili ako ng pinggan, kutsara, tinidor. Meron akong tuna, kaso tingnan nyo nabili ko. Ay nako, wala kaming pambukas. So hindi na yan makakain. So ito na lang. Meron akong, thank you for the friends, salad. Salad muna kami. At talagang kailangan ko ng veggies. Ng vegetables. Ganon. Don't skip your vegetables in your meal every time. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Maganda ba tayong lahat dyan? Of course, maganda tayong lahat with my jowa. Diba? We're on the road. Kanina nag-ano ako ng
Today's
salad.
money saving day. You're still hungry.
Yeah, but nag-ano ako kanina ng salad and then ngayon, aalis kami, mag-snack lang kami somewhere. Pero hindi kami full meal because nag-salad na kami at saka nag-salmon with rice. Bumili kami sa sa groceries and then meron akong biniling pinggan, kutsara, tinidor. Ganon, oh, diba? Mag-8 na pak pa rin ng araw dito, dahil. Diba? Yan na sinasabi ko, oh, pak pa rin yung araw. 8 o'clock na ng gabi dito sa France, sa El Direy. Frankreich, sasabi ko, France. One of the island of the France. So, may pa-tournament na naman si kami may, ha? I love niyo na yan. Share and like and subscribe. Oh, dito na kami sa bilihan ng hamburger. Mag-hamburger lang kami ng jowa. Ang laki ng buwan, oh. Ayun, jowa ng sub. Ano yung buwan, oh, ang laki dahil, bilog na bilog. Oh, grabe yan. Ay, nandito na kami. Dito kami kakain sa loob. Ang lamig dun sa labas. Tapos wala naman table. Dadalawa.
Make a little. You can also prepare this back.
Yeah.
So you can.
Put it back. Nee, put it in your.
Okay.
Why you cannot move?
Ja, dat ga ik wel even
Yeah,
doen.
move. Yeah.
Makkelijker.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay, for to your.
Ja.
You.
Daarom eet ik liever daar. Maar ik snap dat het koud is.
Yeah, like this. Kakain na kami.
So.
So, ang aming snacks for the night.
I'm still hungry after the salad.
Yeah. At saka konting swimming ako. May bacon. And for you, cheese burger.
Wow.
Sharap. Huh?
Die frietjes zijn lekker, schat. Oh, wow.
So sarap.
The real French fries.
A little bit darker. Medyo madilim. But, sarap. Very famous hamburger. Here in El Rey. Dito talaga kami sa in the car because it's cold outside, yeah.
Yeah, feel a little fresh.
Pero siya talaga naghanap nito. But if in McDonald's or Burger King, he doesn't want to eat there. Sorry. Sorry, sponsor.
I always say to you, don't want to smell the Burger King.
Yeah. But because like this, it's like a homemade hamburger. Nasunog na nga ang bacon ko. Sobrang homemade.
It tastes like it's from the local butcher. Pure beef.
I miss how they make the pizza. Like pressed.
No. Wow.
But you know, much later if they don't put yet the ketchup. That makes me sour, the ketchup. Sure.
Yeah.
I thought they put it like cheese bacon. I thought only cheese and bacon. No. Cheese, hamburger, and bacon. That's why I chose cheese bacon. But when I get it, hamburger, cheese, and bacon. And my bacon is very, very, very burned.
That's the only drawback, toch?
Ubus na. Diba? Minsan we're not like this. Mostly not. Mostly not like this.
Yeah, but we don't want to spend €70 every night for just a dinner.
Because totally here in France is dur. Dur means expensive. So expensive. Last night is more than €50, yeah?
Yeah.
We eat just only simple food. The turkey.
But the taste
is so sarap. It's like, you know, pastel to us? Like that. Double pastel. Ang sarap. But the ketchup very maasim. Ang sarap. With the tissue. The problem is we don't have a drink. We forgot to drink.
We forgot to bring the water.
Yeah. We can eat, we can drink na lang somewhere.
No.
Are you satisfied?
Behoorlijk wel.
Satisfied. Madilim na kasi Biglang dilim no? What time now? Yeah, magna 9 na. Okay, bye-bye! Yes, madilim na dahil 9 o'clock na. Maghahanap kami ng kung saan kami iinom. Diba? Walang katao-tao doon. Ngunit malamig. Ang dilim ko mga kamimay. Ang jowa super lakad na uuna na. Hi jowa. Where we going? Yeah, we will drink in the beach bar. Diba? May mga nagbabike pa rin dahil kahit madilim na. Be, inside. I don't want outside. My shoes. We will look, just quick look to the beach. There's a beach area already. Oh, my shoes. White pa naman ang shoes ko. Scott, my shoes is white.
If you want to stop, we stop.
No, we can go na over. Just slow down.
Ik heb ook schoenen aan.
Tingnan mo nga, ang dilim ko na. Diba? Let's go there. Wow. So lovely. Kijk, neem maar even.
Nou, ja,
Kijk,
die
oh.
van jou is beter hoor.
Ja. Kijk, oh. Ang ganda. Ito na yung dagat, mga kamime. Malamig
Nou,
lang.
deze vind ik ook wel mooi.
Oh, yeah. Ang ganda. As in.